Hey guys, Trina here, back with day 16 of the 30 Days of Art. Today I'm going to be making a sunflower picture, or impressions of sunflowers. Yesterday I went and had a photo shoot with some clients at Grinter Farms, which is our local sunflower field here in Kansas, and it's simply lovely. I was really taken by the colors and the light and the beauty of the field, and I wanted to do, for today's piece, an impression of sunflowers. Not really sunflowers per se, but how I would interpret them. Which is always the thing about art. You don't have to do it realistically, you don't have to do it from photos. And somewhat unusual for me. I usually just paint from what comes to me within the painting. And this one started off being that way, and now, as you can tell, it's going to get quite abstract because that's how I work. And so I'm adding in some blue and green ink here that I mixed from the colors. I'm only working with 3 colors right now, and I like how it's coming, but it's still a little bit too literal at this stage. Working my way through trying to figure out how to make it look more like something that I would make and less like sunflowers. So drying the ink so I can add in some colored pastels to give it a little bit more energy and a little bit more flow. As you can see, I just start diving right in with some orange, and then I'm going to add in some yellows, which are the hues of the sunflowers. Next, I'm going to be adding in some more orange and red pops of color, and then I'm adding in this blue color because there needed to be some contrast between the yellow, and blue is the opposite of yellow, so that blue and orange makes sense to me. So I hope you enjoy this painting. I will be back tomorrow with day 17, and until then, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video tomorrow. Have a lovely day. Bye.